Hello, my beautiful Sharon Zoo Crew family. We have Sammy here having some carrot snacks. We got little Princess Cleopatra. We got some sun conures out and my Quakers out. It's very relaxing here at the Sharon Zoo. But we have here baby Dre right here. My little baby parrotlet. And we got baby Mohegan, who doesn't want me touching baby Dre. Okay, go ahead. It's your bird. And we are just relaxing with Parrot Town 24/7 Birdy TV. Look at them. They love it. They absolutely love it. Here, Sammy, have another carrot. It is so wonderful. And guys, I'm telling you, I have a lot of trouble sleeping. And I started putting this on before I go to bed. And it is so relaxing. Right, guys? You love it? Look at that. Even baby Dre is loving it now. But I wanted you guys to see baby Dre now because a lot of time has passed since you've seen her. And look at her. She's fully feathered. She's got so much yellow. Her face is all feathered out. Here, go back down with Mohegan. There you go. But look at how they're eating and watching the Parrot Town TV. I believe that may be Sherry. That may be Sherry cleaning the bird room. Because this is live stream 24 hours a day. So it's really, really awesome. Hi, Sherry. Here's Sam. But yeah, the birdies love this. They absolutely love this. And you can play this all the time. If you can get your internet on your TV, it's even better. Hi, baby. I'm not sure which one of her cockatoos this is. Here, Sam. Here, Sam. Come on. Here, honey. Back up. Wait. There you go. Princess is just hanging out. You want more, babe? You want more? Here you go. But I wanted you guys to see baby Dreidel. Oh my goodness. She is all grown up, but she's still being fed by the parents. Yep, she's still in the nest. But she ventures out all the time, so she's not strictly in the nest. Sammy, you can't do that. Come here. If you want food, you gotta just tell me. You can't knock my legs when I got the birds on me, okay? Alright? You gotta be gentle. Here, Sam. Here, hun. What are you guys doing? You guys happy? Huh? Sammy, what did I tell you about my legs? Back up. Back up. No. Back up. You can't bump my legs. Move back. Thank you. You can't. You want to sit? Go sit. Go sit down and behave. Sit down. Sit down. He's like, I don't want to sit. I'll just go play with Bob. You cannot bump my legs when I got birdies on me, okay? I think baby Dre really loves this Zen Cafe. Look at that. They're looking at the bird, listening to all the bird sounds, and the awesome relaxing music. I'm telling you guys, go to this channel and pick one that you like, but this Zen one is so awesome to sleep. if you have trouble sleeping, which I do big time. And we love Sherry over at Parrot Town. She is awesome. Oh, there's another one. God, would I love to have a bird room like that. That's my dream. Maybe one day. One day. Baby Dre. Look at you, all with all your feathers. Yes. I wanted to wait so you could see all these beautiful colors. Look at the blue on the back there. There's like a little greenish blue. So pretty. But definitely Mohegan and Baby Dre are getting along really well. So I'm hoping they will be cage mates. I really am. Isn't that a gorgeous bird? I love cockatoos, but they could be really, really aggressive and extremely loud. Sherry's birds are awesome, but they're really, really difficult to own. Oh, you turned around. That's perfect. Now everyone can see you. You can see your gorgeous faces. Yes. I love watching them together. This is what I was hoping for from the very beginning. And I truly believe if you raise animals together from babies, you can have anything get along. They just don't know any different. That's all they know. Sammy's playing with Bob. Look, they turned around again. They want to watch. Not only are they hearing the bird sounds and the calming music, they're also watching the other birds. And this is millet spray that they're eating. This should only be given as a treat, not as their staple food. But this is the easiest thing right now for Baby Dre to eat, since she's not eating on her own yet. So this is a great starter food for her. But she needs to have her pellets and her regular food, which the parents are giving to her right now still. I swear I could watch them all day long. I really could. They're just so adorable. What are they getting? Are they getting bananas? Sherry, what are you giving them? Bananas! It's banana time! That's awesome. Yay. It's feeding time over at Parrot Town. That's why I love this channel. It's so cool. Get to watch what everyone's doing over there. 24 hours a day. Look at Baby Dre going to town on that millet. Good girl. You want to show them how you perch? You want to go up? Up, up? Step up? Show them how you perch. I know, Mohegan. Let her perch. Mohegan won't let me touch her. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Look what I did. Let me try that again. Come here, baby Dre. Can you step up? Step up. Show them how you perch. Good job. Good job. See? Look at her. There you go. Go back down. So relaxing. Anyway, guys, it's getting a little late. I gotta put the kids to bed. So we are gonna say goodnight right here. Sammy, do you want another carrot? Sammy, come here, honey. Come here, Sam. Come here, Sam. Come on, Sammy. Make your way over here so we can say goodnight. Let me give you a carrot. Come here. You want a carrot? Come on. You gotta say goodnight to everyone, okay? Alright, guys. We're gonna say sweet dreams and sleep with those beautiful, beautiful angels. We love you so much. Have a great day tomorrow. Say goodnight, kids. Say goodnight. Goodnight, Sherry. So go over to Parrot Town. I'll put the link in the description. And oh my God, it's just so relaxing. Not just for the birds, for you. It'll help you sleep. Night-night, guys. Want to turn around, Momo? Want to turn around? Come on. So they can see you. They are loving this. Bye, guys.